Hello and welcome at the Chateau de Colombe.
Bonjour tous, bienvenue à Gîtes de Chateau de Colombe.
Und unseren deutschsprachigen Freunden herzlich willkommen, Chateau de Colombe hier und it's working.
It is, and yes, we are here today in the Grand Salon, and we have a working fireplace.
Yes, and I'm not quite sure why we are even wearing sweater or a vest, because it's actually
It's just a habit to wear it here, so
it's true.
And it is actually a little too warm to wear this, isn't it?
The moment we walk into the hall, your body aches because it's so cold.
Right, and so we worked, and we got the wood burning stove installed here in the salon.
Yeah, and it was actually a little bit of a few hiccups. I mean, where it was just a bit tense and it just wouldn't go past the impasse on the top. But it all finally came together.
Yes, working with Tony, and thank you again for Tony for helping us with that.
Yes, it was a lot of fun. Now we want to show you all about that because it's really exciting. However, we have a few other things that are also very exciting.
Right. So we had talked about our new website, which is chateaudecolombe.com, and we do now have a store, which is really exciting. Now,
actually, we have multiple stores.
I'm hoping that it's all going to work because it's really new. But if you actually go to the website now and you go to the menu at the top, you will now see store, which will, if you click on that, it will take you to our store, and you'll start seeing some of the products that we have, which are mostly with our logo, our Chateau logo, and with some of the toile designs that I created as well.
I mean, they're handbags, tote bags, mugs, aprons. Right. It's amazing. Right. I have no idea how that all works. So I guess I'm sorry. That's all Stuart. I'm just so excited. So that's why I'm talking. So I need to shut up.
And we do have multiple stores. We have a store at printful.com, and the other store is Zazzle, which is one we had for a while. And the reason why we have two different ones is because they sort of offer different kind of products. So we want to do the best products from the best place, and so that's why we have two different places where you can look at to get products from Chateau de Colombe. And very exciting is we also have a design that was created by Stephen from Manor and Maker.
Yes, our friend Stephen Cole.
Yes, and so there is a design, and I have a copy of it here, and you can get the link to this also on our store. And he created this beautiful design of our chateau.
Yeah, and it's from the 20s when cars became more available. So what they called in England the motoring tourist, and you will find that if you read Agatha Christie, she refers to the motoring tourist, and that's it. And so it's like this 1920s beautiful print, and it comes in 3 different sizes. And we're just tickled to death. I mean, he is such a great artist.
He did a beautiful job on this, and he did this for actually several of the Chateau friends. And so you'll be able to see others similar to this very soon in the future.
Yep.
Right? And not only that, when you go there, you'll see it's not only the posters, but there's some other products there as well that have the design on it, which is great.
And I can't wait
to
put it actually up because we just got the frame today.
We did. Yes, just today actually. Yes. Yes. So I hope you check that out. We will have more for that. There will be more products later, and of course, if you check out both of those, Zazzle and Printful, and you see other products when you're browsing through those websites, if you see other products there that you think that you might like, if we put our logo or our toile on the product, please leave in the comments. Let us know what product you would like, because I can put our design on any product that they have there. So if there's something specific you want, please leave a comment and let us know what product that is, and I will see if I can set it up for you.
Absolutely.
Right.
Now, without further ado.
Right. So, back to the fireplace.
Have a look.
go in, and then we can use your expert piece of timber work here for the first one.
Beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah. Now, you might have to do a bit of jiggery pokery, because looking at it here, she veers off like that.
Yes.
Correct.
But it's over such a long distance.
Yes.
It should be gradual.
Okay.
Exactly.
That's yes.
Right,
I just decided that it is.
Okay.
That's.
I like that. Right.
I'd say 10 minutes and we're done.
Oh, please don't say things like that.
No, it's a decision. It's
I'm
not.
okay.
We could if you want to keep you want to count. That's 2.
You count.
Okay.
Tony, you have very dark dandruff. I can tell that.
I'm going to sit there, but I'm going to sit here slightly so I don't get
Everything on you.
everything on me.
Otherwise, it.
No, I think if I sit here.
Would you like a hairnet or something? Like an Aldi bag or so.
That was 4.
Good. Let me know when you want me to push. I mean, with you, lift.
Okay, yeah.
I mean, I know still 4 is not bad, but I don't really want to cut your fingers off either. I mean, not all the time at least. Oh.
What I'm going to do is if you let it lean on that side, go up like that, then keep turn them up. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm saying.
One second.
Okay, sorry.
No, don't second. Just stay there a second. I'm not in a good position here. Right, just put your hand on that.
Yes.
Hold him there.
Yep.
I'm going to get in a better position. Like
Look.
on my knees. That's better. I like that look. Okay.
Yeah, there is actually, I mean, not that it is a luxury accommodation, but there is actually, unlike the other one, enough space for a person to be in it.
Yes. Okay, I think we might use the wood now, Patrick.
Okay. It's there, that's here.
Okay, you ready?
Yes.
Lovely. Smoke gets, soot gets in your eyes.
Yeah, that's a good song.
Brian Ferry used to say.
Hold on.
Okay, mate. Good. Now I have to lean that back there like that slightly. Ready with the wood?
Yes. There we go.
Lovely. Are you ready?
Yes. Lovely.
Lovely.
Let me know when you want to take a break.
Okay. Are you ready?
Yes. Yep.
Lovely.
Did you, how far?
This is 9.
This is number 9.
Ah, good. Someone's counting this time. Well done, Stuart. Because we lost count last time, didn't we?
Yes.
And I couldn't have told you either again, so. Let me
Ready?
know. Yes.
Here we go. Oh, you dirty bastard.
Let me know when you take a break.
Yep, okay.
Stretching and stuff.
You'll be the first to know.
Oh, yes.
Should have wore a hat. Get off. Ready with the stick?
Yeah.
Lovely. Oh, big lumps on my head. Dirty bastard.
And you know, the other one was actually worse than this one.
Don't say things like that.
No, I mean the dirt.
Oh yes, it was, yes. But they're bigger lumps this time.
It's you
Like
know.
hailstones. Right, are you ready?
Yeah. really nice. I mean, it's nice and warm, and I'm thrilled because I'm hosting Christmas Eve dinner, as one does when one is German, and so I will have Tony and Jane will be here, and John and Claire and Beatrix, Ron. So it will be a wonderful full house, and we'll have a beautiful dinner and a warm salon. This, which we did not have last year. It was so cold, and even with the heat on, and there is a story which we'll have to show you soon, because we avoided horrible disaster by literally this much. Because one of our heaters came off the wall.
Yes.
So, well, that's for next week. Now,
later, yes.
Please leave really your inspirations or ideas for whatever you want to see on the store. With
Yes,
Stuart's
please
designs.
make sure to check out the new store that we have at Chateau de Colombe. And if you want to, please, if there's other products that you see that Printful or Zazzle has, and you're interested in those products, please leave us a note in the comments. Let us know, and I will try to put something together with our design on it.
True.
Yes. So that's it for this episode.
But-
Yes, it is.
Oh.
If you like it, please give us a thumbs up.
Subscribe and recommend us to your friends. That helps us tremendously, and you have been wonderful sharing our link with other people. So it's fantastic. Thank you so much.
Yeah, and if you want to support the renovation of the chateau, you can join us on Patreon.
Or buy me a coffee.
And we will see you on Friday.
Yes.
Au revoir.
Goodbye.
Bye. If you enjoyed this video, please use the like feature to let us know. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our Journey to the Chateau YouTube channel if you would like to see more. Once you've subscribed, you can tap the notification bell in order to ring it, which will allow you to receive all notifications from our channel. Thank you.